Alright, YouTubes. It is February 1st, 2023. Just got off work. That gorgeous ocean view. Let's go for a motorcycle ride. The weather is spectacular. You guys ready for this? Let's go. Ride a motorcycle. Oh, today's Wednesday, February 1. Oh, great day for a rip up the coast. Hope everyone's having a good New Year's 2023. Supposed to get some more weather coming in. I think they're talking about like another 18 inches of snow up in the mountains. So the snowboarding's gonna stay good. I'll try and get another snowboard video up. We spent a weekend up there, but I didn't take the GoPros. I was riding the mountain with the family. It was a great time. But I think the next trip I'll bring the GoPro. Tilling up the field, getting it ready. To get back here on a couple of the side roads to see how it's dried out. Usually after so much rain, there's so much water coming out of the hills that some of the back roads I like to ride, they just stay way too wet. We'll go give it a look. Smells like skunk out here. Wish you guys could smell that. Ooh, mamma mia. Mega skunky.